Hello, hello, hello. This is Gary Yao, real estate agent, Sorry, California homes for sale. So it's decided. You are going to sell your house and you're wondering who will be the right agent for the job of selling your home, your biggest asset. I'm here to break it down for you. Basically, there are two types of agents, active and passive. Now let's start with passive agents. The first thing that passive agents do is that, by the way, it can be broken down into 3 steps. First, ground zero is that they will take your listing, take a few nice pictures, add a nice description highlighting the benefits of your property. So the first step, they will post it online on different websites, namely Trulia, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, endless. Step 2, they will do printing, namely flyers to be distributed around via the postal service, newspaper ads, also on magazines and newsletters. Step 3 will be billboards, for the mass to see, and bus bench. I always wonder, how is it that realtor would market themselves to people who cannot afford a car? They going to afford a house? So anyways, just a thought. So that's pretty much all that encompass the passive agents. It's all printing, it's all marketing, which is waiting around. All this involve waiting around. So we call it the 3 Ps. Publish, stay put, and pray that from the sky, a buyer will show up and buy your property. Don't get me wrong, this type of marketing does work. And we even use it ourselves. The only thing is that we don't rely on it solely this type. It's a supplement to what we do additionally. So active agents. So what do we do? Well, active agents, once we get the listing, the first thing that we do is that we look and hunt for buyers for your house. Let me explain. As soon as we get the listing, we actually get a list of properties that are around the vicinity or your neighbors. So what we do is that we call them one by one every day, asking them 3 questions. First question is, are you interested in buying this property that I'm selling? Second question, do you know anybody who's interested in buying this house? Family, friends, coworkers, church members, business partners, anybody. And third question, are they looking to sell their house? Now you might be asking me, how does that benefit you in selling your house and me getting another house for sale? Let me explain. Whenever we get another listing for sale in the vicinity or in the same city, 2 or 3 houses will sell right away. How is that? Well, obviously, all the buyers who see, let's say, your neighbor's house for sale will not be interested specifically on that one. So whenever they see that house, we will invite them to come see your house. And when they do that, we already know their interests, their motivations, their qualifications. There's no surprises nor any headaches when it comes to dealing with this type of buyers, because we already pre-qual them, right? And this systematic showing of houses that we have, we create synergy, right? So that means that because of our presence in the community, we're able to get you more qualified buyers than any other way, because we are the architects of getting these buyers. On top of that, we have other techniques that we use that we'd love to share with you. I'm not leaving you in a cliffhanger. I just don't want to bore you with the details. But if you're interested in finding out more, just give me a call or contact us. I will be more than happy to share all the information, because at the end of the day, it's information. You'll be deciding if this information is good for you, and we can see if we are a good match. And whether it's passive or active, get the information out there, find out which one works best for you, and I will be talking to you soon. Once again, this is Gary Yao, and we'll talk soon.